Welcome to the new UI widgets tutorials. This tutorial is about widget generators. It creates widgets for custom data types. At first, I will create a type. It can be a class, struct, or interface. Now I can generate widgets from the context menu or the separate window. Some Unity versions do not detect type in the script in cases of structs and interfaces with namespace. So the context menu does not work in such cases, but you can specify the full type name in the window. You can select fields to be used by widgets and the field to be used by autocomplete. Now widgets are created and I got the scene to check how they work. Here is drag and drop between different widgets. Different list views can display the same list. This is pickers for list view and tree view. Table data can be sorted, columns can be reordered and enabled or disabled. This is a tree graph. And this is an autocomplete and combo box. UI themes are available by default. Let's check the created scripts. As you can see, most of the scripts are very simple. Just the type definition of the generic class with a specified data type. The important scripts are components used to display data. The autocomplete script with method to check if the data matches the condition. And the comparer scripts used in sorting. Widgets can be added to the scene using the menu. Here are the widgets prefabs, you can freely modify them. This is a scriptable object for the menu with prefab references. By default, widgets use standard Unity text. But as you can see, TextMesh Pro support is enabled and add widgets using TextMesh Pro text and input field components. You can enable TextMesh Pro support later and then use the menu Replace Unity text with TextMesh Pro for previously created widgets. As you can see, I can change list view items in the inspector window. To be available in the inspector window, data type should have a serializable attribute. Now data source property is available to edit. If you do not want to display some fields, then disable or delete the corresponding game objects. Data source items can be edited, removed, and changed from the code. I changed the name, but list view was not updated because list itself was not changed, just the item. There are a few ways to update list view in such cases. The first one is to use the list view update items method. Another one is to change the list. Both those methods have downsides. The better way is to implement the iObservable interface or iNotify property interface in the data type. To do this, I need to convert the fields to the properties and add interface implementation. Then raise an event when the property is changed. Now list view is updated when the item is renamed. That's all, thanks for watching.